Hi, this is Alex at Alex MW Technologies. Thank you for tuning in. Today we will be looking at scheduling Zoom meetings in Outlook and outside Outlook. Now, let's get to the business. What applications do you need to be able to schedule a Zoom meeting? If you are on a Windows client, Windows computer, you need to install a Windows app for a Zoom meeting. And if you want to add a Microsoft Outlook application for your email, please download and install this. Okay, so go to zoom.us /download and install these two. I already have these two applications, so I don't have to basically show you how to install those. Probably you know. Let's get to the business. First, I want to show you through the Zoom desktop app. Double click the app, open it, schedule the meeting. Okay, choose the time, Monday. I chose Monday, 6:45, and we can enable the video for the host or even enable the video for the participants. And then in the advanced options, we have the option to allow the participants to join the meeting anytime. This is because you as a host, probably you need the participants to join in case you are late for the meeting or you have any technical challenges that can prevent you from joining the meetings before the participants. Okay, and then we click save. Now we have this window, and again, as I told you, we use these two applications, the desktop app and the Zoom Microsoft Outlook plugin for the best experience. And then to whom do you want to send this invite? If you are on a work computer, you probably have contacts right here. Okay, so the global address list, but because I'm on a personal computer, I have very few contacts here. Click contacts and then choose whoever you want to invite and then click OK. All right, and then click send the invite. Okay, that's it. Now if you want to schedule a meeting within your Outlook, remember we have this the Zoom plugin for Outlook. We can always go to calendar, right click anywhere we want to, basically that's Thursday the 17th, right click and then click new meeting request and then choose the time from 9 a.m. to 9:30. And this is not to say that the meeting will automatically end at 9:30. It's just the time range, but the meeting continues as long as you as a host, you are basically still in the meeting. Okay, and then we click schedule a meeting. Okay, we allow the participants to join anytime. Again, you can choose not to, but I really love that because if I have any technical issues as a host, my participants will be able to join before. Okay, save. Location, it's not a requirement, but you can definitely choose whatever you want. And again, here we click to, we invite through our contact list. If you have any contacts here, that's fine. Or here, click required. Okay. Okay. And then you can invite anybody else by typing any emails you have, right? That's fine. Okay. Location, I would just say default. No requirement, but still that's fine. And then click send. The invite is right here. Now let's go to the hosts, to the participants. I have my participant right here. He might have received an invite. Wow, right here. The invite is here. This is Yahoo. The participants can decline or accept the invites, and once they accept, they will be able to view the invites. These are the invites. So that's it. I think if you have any other questions or anything else really that you want to know about this short video, please feel free to comment, and please subscribe and like the video. I will be sharing more and more as long as you need more videos, and I think in this time around people really need to share knowledge and the whatever they know with everybody else. And I appreciate you and everybody who clicks like and subscribe just to support here, and thank you guys.